Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. So today we're going to be making this card. We're going to be using the Spellbinders February 2021 card kit of the month called Let Your Heart Soar. So we'll get right to it. So you can see here I have a die that I'm going to be using to cut some of my paper. This paper comes from the paper pad that comes in the kit called Let Your Heart Soar. And you do get all of these beautiful little pieces in the kit that you can use on your card, and also that card base. So this is a Spellbinders Celebrations die. It's called Pierced Rectangles. You get 6 pieces. Now some of the rectangles cut and some of the rectangles just perforate. So the ones with the lines, that cuts, and the ones with those dots, that just perforates. So it puts little holes in the paper. So I'm going to use the ones that perforate to create kind of just an interesting contrast between the layers. And so first I'm going to take this the bottom purple paper here, pattern paper, and I'm going to run that through my die cutting machine. So you can see here that it put those beautiful little dots on the page. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim that down using my paper trimmer here, because again that die didn't cut, it only perforated. So this is an easy solution to that die not cutting, and you get that cute little those cute little dots on the page there, which I like a lot. So now I'm going to, you can see that when I adhere that purple piece to the card base, it'll leave a nice little white frame. And I'm going to take this second pattern piece of paper and I'm going to use the same die set to cut out a piece of the little bird paper there to go on my card to layer those 2 pages up. So I'm just going to use my Spellbinders Platinum machine here to cut this out. And when I'm done, I'll have to trim it again to make sure that it's the right size for the card, and because those pierced rectangles, again, they don't cut. So I'm just going to trim this down, and then it'll go onto my card base just like that. Now this tag's a little bit long, so I'm going to go ahead and trim it down as well. And now just so you know that a lot of times when you get these pieces in card kits and stuff, some people are a little bit timid as far as altering or changing what they get in the card kit. I don't know if you're that way or not. I was when I first started card making. I didn't want to, I don't know, I was like afraid to change things or something. So maybe this will give you permission to go ahead and not worry about that. But anyway, I'm just laying these pieces out to see how I like them and where I want them on the page. And you'll see that once I'm finish laying them out, I'm just going to go ahead and adhere the pieces together. Now this, I'm using my own adhesive here because it was on my table and that's what I reach for, but the card kit does come with tape adhesive. It's just a roll of double-sided adhesive, and also it comes with the foam adhesive that will give you some like dimensional 3D effects on your cards. And you can see those in another card that I made, and I'll link to that so that you can check that out as well. But I'm just deciding how I want these on my card, and I'm laying them out. And once I'm done with this, you'll be able to see the finished product at the end of this video. I'll let you take a look at the finished card. But again, having that card kit is so convenient because you have all these pieces and all you have to do is decide how to lay them out. Now these stickers here, these are puffy stickers, so they give some dimension, and those also came in the kit. So I'm just going to choose some hearts to lay out here, and I choose to lay out 3 of them. Again, our eye is always drawn to things when they're in sets of odd numbers. So if you're going to be putting things on your card, always choose to do so in like 3s or 5s or 7s, you know, something that's an odd number. And then I'm going to stamp the inside of my card with this cute little stamp set that also came in the card kit. It says "Sending You Love." And I'm using my 3M tape here. This is painter's tape. I'm using it to hold my card base down so that when I use the stamping platform, this is the We Are Memory Keepers Precision Press Stamping Platform, and my VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and I'm just going to stamp that on my page. Now these stamps are silicone, so you don't want to press really, really hard because then it'll mush and kind of not give you a good effect. But they're beautiful. It's a beautiful little stamp set that comes in this card kit, and there's lots of different greetings and sentiments and images that you can use for a birthday or for Valentine's or just for whatever you want. So it's a really great little kit. I love it a lot. And here are some of the die cut shapes that you get in the kit. And I was thinking of putting some hearts down, but I think I changed my mind because I didn't really do that at the end. So here's a final look at the card. Thanks for watching today. I hope you had fun. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope that you will think about getting this card kit. I am not an affiliate, so I don't get paid to do this video. I do this on my own because I enjoy doing it, and I really do love this card kit. It's quite a good value. So thanks for watching again. Have a wonderful day.